What's going on, guys? Marlon Conaway, aka Marlon the Money Coach, with your Got Life Insurance Minute. Man, I tell you what, so excited to bring this message to you today. Today's topic is the difference between burial insurance and legacy insurance. Burial insurance versus legacy insurance. First off the top, man, roughly 60% of people you know have little to no life insurance. What's little insurance? Maybe they have a policy through their job where they get 1-time, 2-time salary. Of course, we know what no life insurance is, where they have no life insurance. So that's a dangerous situation for a family to be in. And so a lot of times people realize they need optional insurance or additional insurance. And so they'll go out and buy life insurance policies out there on their own. All right. Now, burial insurance is any type of insurance policy that I totally feel is only enough to provide a burial or final expense. So 10,000, 15, 20, 25,000, maybe even 50,000. But it's generally not enough to pass on legacy or generational wealth to a family. Matter of fact, the only people who benefit from burial insurance is the insurance company, because we pay our premiums to them all of our life. So of course, that's how they make their profit. Okay. And then the funeral home company, because when we pass away, our loved ones have to deliver that check to the funeral home company to provide a proper burial for us. There's typically not enough money left over to leave a legacy to the family. And so that's a total dangerous or disastrous situation that a family could be in at the loss of a breadwinner. All right. So legacy insurance is totally different. Legacy insurance is enough insurance to provide the burial, pay off all consumer debts, pay off any existing mortgage programs, provide education or inheritance to the children, and leave anywhere from 5 to 10 years, 15, 20 years of income to the surviving family members. That is a legacy policy. And so I believe in legacy insurance. I totally believe in passing on generational wealth from one generation to the next. And I believe that's one of the biggest black holes in today's family's financial plan. I think it's one of the weakest areas in our financial house. And so today, I hope this brief message gives you hope as far as education on what you can do to help your family transition in the event that not if we pass away, but when we pass away, that we can pass on legacy and generational wealth for our families. Now, you may be asking, how much does it cost to create legacy or generational wealth? For the average family in America right now, you're talking anywhere from $40 to maybe $100 a month. 40 for maybe a single parent household or just a single individual, and maybe as much as $100 a month for a husband, wife, and some children. And of course, age and health also plays a factor in cost. But as you can see, it's very affordable. And the most important thing is there are other areas or other things that we can leave as inheritance or leave as pass on generational wealth type beneficiaries, right? We can leave our retirement programs like our 401ks, our IRAs. We can leave land, right? Or real estate. We can leave a business. But those three things we just mentioned all come with expenses and taxes when they're passed on to the next generation. Obviously, we leave a house to a family member. They still have a mortgage if we didn't leave enough to pay the mortgage off. They still have property taxes. A business has employees, inventory, right? Taxes involved, right? Real estate has property taxes. Retirement programs like 401ks, you have to pay taxes to pass that money to the next generation. But life insurance is the only four of those areas that you can pass to the next generation totally tax-free with no expenses. All right. And so, man, we hope that this information we share with you today provides some value to you, some impact. And if you ever have any questions about life insurance or what you have to do to qualify for it, or how you can put a legacy plan together for your family, reach out to us. Marlon the Money Coach, 904-338-8171.